Hello, Ayaan. How are you? Is I'm audible? Hello, Ayaan. Is I'm audible to you?
Sir,
Hello.
hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but you have to speak. You need to come closer to the laptop.
Is it better now?
It's enough. Just a minute.
Okay.
Ayaan, I have given you some homework. Did you do that one for balancing of chemical
No,
equation?
no.
Why didn't you do that one?
I didn't know you had given any.
Hmm?
I
This is
didn't know you had given any.
given. You don't know that I have given you any.
Yeah, I
It's not.
didn't know.
So in the previous class, we were doing the balancing of chemical equations. Okay. Today we will learn that on the type of reaction, chemical reaction, we will learn that the types of chemical reactions. Okay. Today's topic is types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. Okay. Note it down, please. Types of chemical reactions on the basis of the energy released. Okay. So what do you mean by types of chemical reactions? So types of chemical reactions, simply we need to confirm here that it is, we will say that on the basis of the energy released or gain, on the basis of the energy released or gain during the reaction, we have divided
You on the basis of the energy, then you have written.
released or gain, released, released, broadly into two categories. First category is endothermic reaction, endothermic, and the second category is exothermic reaction. Endothermic and exothermic reactions. Okay.
Okay.
In the endothermic reaction, energy is released, energy is given during the reaction. Okay. So simply say that in this type of reaction,
Endothermic.
energy is released. In exothermic reaction, in this type of reaction, Sorry, just a minute, just a minute. Energy is supply. This type of reactions, energy is note it down, please.
Okay.
Ayaan, do you know how to write the chemical formula of the compound?
What's that?
I'm saying, do you know that how to write the chemical formula of the compound? Do we learn that one?
No.
Let me check.
Chemical formula of the compound?
No, we have not learned that one. Before learning today, we are just going to write the chemical formula of the compound. Okay, like we need to learn the valency of. What are you saying?
I just need to finish this. I didn't finish it. The endothermic and exothermic. I need to finish writing it. Could you go up?
Yeah. Do this one, please.
Okay. I'm done.
Like for example, if you burn carbon, okay, then you will get carbon dioxide plus heat. If you burn hydrogen gas, you will get water plus heat and light. Okay, so the energy is released during this reaction. Like you have calcium hydroxide, sorry, calcium oxide, you add it to water. Calcium oxide plus water, you will get calcium hydroxide. Okay. Example of endothermic reaction. Like for example, N2 when react with O2 will gives you 2NO. Okay. N2 plus H2, the formation of ammonia at very high temperature it occurs. Okay. So if the energy heat is applied, if the heat is applied, then it will be 2NH3 is going to form here. Okay. Got it? 2NH3 it is going to.
And to H2 high temperature.
Next. You done this one?
Yeah.
Next is, if you are having, let's suppose, if you are heating silver chloride in the presence of sunlight, so energy is given in the form of sunlight. So it will be gives you Ag plus Cl2. AgBr in the presence of sunlight. It will gives you 2Ag plus Br2. These are all endothermic reactions, like the reaction of photosynthesis. Synthesis. Like you write, carbon dioxide is given to the plant in the presence of water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Sunlight and chlorophyll. it get converted into glucose, C6H12O6. Glucose plus 6 oxygen gas plus 6 water. Okay, you understood? So this is an example of endothermic reaction. Note it down.
Mm.
Done? Noted?
Um, yeah, done. Yeah.
If I ask you that what is the formula of calcium carbonate, can you tell me the formula of calcium carbonate?
No.
No,
Calcium. What is it? C? GCl?
it is CaCO3. So let me help you to write the chemical formula of the compound. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. So this is the chart. This is the valency chart and the formula. Okay, that you have to write each and everything in your copy. Okay, properly. Don't take the screenshot. You have to write it down right now so that you can keep a memory. Okay, sodium has a valency 1. Okay, potassium has valency. If it is sodium and it is written like this positive sign, it means its valency is 1 plus 1. Okay, valency is plus 1. You understood?
Yeah.
Do the next one.
Okay. Okay, sir. So can you
Yeah. So if you write this sodium has valency 1. Yeah, I'm listening to you, Ayaan.
so you first want me to write down table, the whole thing, yeah?
Yeah, you have to write this so that you can understand. Like sodium has valency 1 and symbol is Na. Okay, 1.
Okay.
So write it down that its valency is 1. If it is only plus sign here, that means its valency is plus 1. Similarly, potassium is also plus 1. These all have plus 1 valency. if in front of copper it is written copper as 1, it means its valency is 1. And this copper with valency 1 is known as cuprous. Cuprous.
Q plus. Okay.
Next, if this copper, you see copper is here and copper is also here. So you check that this copper has valency 2. This copper has valency 2 and this copper has valency 1. So when copper has valency 2, it is known as cupric. Cupric, note it down, cupric. It is cupric. Cupric. So start making this chart first, please. Magnesium, Mg2 positive, right? Magnesium like this way, magnesium, and its valency is Mg, and write 2 positive. This is the valency, 2 positive is the valency, okay? Then I'm going to help you to write the formula of the compound. Just write down this whole chart first and write it properly, each and everything. Just you concentrate here, that is sulfide, IDE sulfide. This is sulfide, ITE. And this is sulfate. They all have valency 1. Okay, they all have, sorry, valency 2. This one,
2 or minus 2?
2 or minus 2 is
2
same.
minus.
2 and minus 2 is same. Don't get confused with the minus. This way, okay, and this one. They all have same valency, that is minus 2. But you need to mention the spelling. This is ID sulfide, this is sulfite, and this is sulfate, ATE. Okay, and this is nitride.
Yeah.
This is nitride and nitrate. This, don't get confused with this one. Nitride, IDE.
And nitrate. Okay. I'll write it down.
Nitrite and nitrate. Okay. So start writing this one, each and everything properly. And don't mix your notes in any copy. Okay. Make the proper chemistry copy.
Yeah.
Then I will going to help you that how to write the chemical formula. After you done this one, write the proper spelling, properly each and everything. Yes, done.
No, not yet.
Okay, do it. Take your time.
Yeah, after finishing, am I supposed to send it?
Okay, okay.
After finishing, send it.
Okay, this is hydrogen carbonate. This is the hydrogen. This is not This is not carbonate only. This is the hydrogen carbonate. Just concentrate one thing here. You can write it in one line if you wish. You can write it. This is hydrogen carbonate. This is the hydrogen carbonate, the single hydrogen carbonate. Okay, this is hydrogen carbonate. This one is hydrogen carbonate. Write some more also. That is barium is not in a barium. So add here barium. Ba. In the two right
Barium.
add barium. Barium. Barium is Ba2 positive. Beryllium. Be2 positive. Hg. Mercury. Mercury is Hg2 positive. Mercury. Mercury.
Mercury.
Lead is given. Lead is not given.
Lead is not given.
Lead is Pb. Pb2 positive. Iron also has two valency. When it is iron only written second, then it is ferrous. Then its name is ferrous. It is ferrous. Okay, and when it has three valency here, iron, this is known as ferric. Ferric.
So I'll just write all of these remaining ones outside the chart, okay? Just outside.
You have written all up to
Not
here,
all, but
to here. So
not
you
that
are right.
almost, but
You have to write it, keep
yeah.
it, keep means
But I've made
when you are writing, just pronounce it name. For example, you are writing ammonium. So write down ammonium NH4 positive so that you can memorize. You can create a memory that I have written the ammonium ion. When I ask you to write the formula of ammonium chloride, so how can you write? No, if you have not pronounced the name, so it might that when you pronounce the name, you will be confirmed that you have written this name in the copy. Okay.
Okay. Magnesium. Calcium. Ca2. Yeah.
You done?
Uh, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and
You done? On which you are right now?
which I'm on, carbonate.
Okay, okay, just do it.
SO3, sulfate, SO. Done. Oh, wait, no, I have to finish the other part.
You finished?
Finish in the part you added barium plus 2. ber- Beryllium. Mercury H plus 2. EB plus 2. Done.
And if you learn this chart properly, then 40% of the total chemistry you have learned in by this chart only. 40%. The remaining 60% you will learn from the chapters. But if you don't know this 40%, the remaining 60% you are not able to get anything from that one. Okay. So this is the 50% or 40% of the chemistry that you will learn from this one, because you know how to write the chemical formula with the help of this chart. For example, if you are just going to write the formula of aluminium sulfate, aluminium sulfate. So what is the formula of the
Sorry,
aluminium sulfate? Aluminium
what did you
sulfate.
say? Your voice was
My voice is not coming. I'm saying here that this chart is going to help you.
Voice was
This chart is going to help you. Yes, Ayan. I'm saying that this chart is going to help you in
is my
understand.
voice coming?
Yeah, I'm saying that this chart
Is
is
it
going to,
lagging now?
yeah, just wait and just listen to my voice. Okay. Is I'm audible?
Yeah, now you are.
So I'm saying that aluminium sulfate. So this chart is going to help you how to aluminium sulfate. For example, if you are just going to write the formula of aluminium sulfate, so you'll write aluminium valency is 3. 3 positive, write down it 3 here. And sulfate is SO4. Its valency is 2. Okay. Here is sulfate. This
Yeah.
sulfate SO4 minus 2 and aluminium is here. This is plus 3. Okay. So how can you write the formula of this one? How will you write the formula of this one? So you can write it just by cross multiplying it. If it is more than one atom is there in on this on this side, okay, you write it like this way: Al2, then you put the bracket and then write SO4 and then whole thrice. This 3 will comes to multiply this way. Okay, got it?
Could you show me another example?
Another example, yes. Like for example, you are writing the formula of sodium oxide. Sodium oxide.
Mm-hmm.
Sodium has valency 1. You can check plus 1. And oxide is oxygen has valency 2. You can check in your copy. Then you cross multiply, you will get Na2O. Okay. For example, if you have the formula of calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate,
Calcium carbonate is 2.
then it will be
Calcium
calcium
is
is
3.
2 and carbonate is,
Carbon 3.
no, it is,
Yeah, it's 2. It's 2 minus.
yeah. So when they are both same, you can cancel both. And you will get CaCO3. When they are same, always if it is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, both, then it will going to have the same formula. Like for example, aluminium nitride. Aluminium nitride. Nitride, IDE. IDE means single element, okay? So this will be aluminium has 3 valency and nitride has also 3. It is minus 3 plus 3, it's okay, but they will cancel out each other. And you will get ALN, aluminium nitride, okay? Okay, okay. Are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So just going to give you the name of some compounds, okay? Please write down their chemical formula and also write their names. Just a minute. Just a minute.
I mean, Mister,
Yeah, yeah. Are you saying?
like there's a component which is nitrate
Yes,
and
nitrate is,
hydrogen carbonate.
yes,
They don't have any numbers.
they have minus 1. You can check it.
Oh, that's
Hydrogen
minus
carbonate is
one.
-1.
There's no one written though. There's no one
Yeah,
written.
yeah. If it is only written minus sign, it means it is -1. Nitrate,
Oh, okay.
hydroxide, and hydrogen carbonate, they have -1. And iodide also have -1. They all have hydride, chloride, bromide, they all have -1. They all have -1. They all have -1.
Minus. Okay.
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 So write down sodium phosphate. Formula of sodium phosphate, phosphate, zinc acetate, zinc,
Sodium
not zinc, zinc carbonate, zinc carbonate, zinc carbonate,
phosphate.
calcium sulfate, calcium, calcium sulfate, lead nitrate, lead nitrate. Okay. Then write barium, barium sulfate, barium sulfate. Zinc chloride, ammonium, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, lead phosphate, lead oxide, calcium phosphate,
Okay. Sodium phosphate.
sodium hydroxide, calcium carbonate. Okay, try to write down the formula of the following compounds.
Okay.
One, with the help of the chart.
Okay.
Yes, you done this one, Ayaan? The first one, sodium phosphate.
Next one.
Yes, what is this? What is the answer for this one? What's the answer for this one?
Na3PO.
Na3PO4. This is
PO4.
Na3PO4. Na3PO4. Phosphate is PO4 minus 3. Okay. And Na is plus 1. So you will get Na. Okay. And PO4 is 3. Okay. You multiply this two, you will get the answer. Got it?
By Na3O4. Oh, PO4 is 1. Oh, there is already 4. Okay, okay. NAT. Okay.
Hello, Swani. How are you? Is I audible?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. So, Swani, just give me 5 minutes, okay? Because the students join late, so that's why. Okay, just I need to. Okay, so just be here for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll start the class for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Iron sulfate.
So zinc carbonate is when you multiply zinc carbonate, you will get zinc as 2,
ZnCO.
and
ZnCO.
carbonate is also 2. You cross multiply, you cut it, you will get Zn.
ZnCO3.
Yes, barium sulfate. Barium is
Barium
2,
sulfate.
and sulfate is also 2. You cut it, you will
So
get
it's
BaSO4.
BaSO4. Okay.
Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium is NH4 and hydroxide is 1. It is 1, it is 1. You can check it here in the chart.
NH4O3.
Okay. Ammonium is this one, NH4O positive. And then hydroxide is also 1. Okay. You get it? You got this one?
Yeah. Yeah,
This is ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. When they are same, then we just cancel this one and we just combine the two elements. Okay. This will be ammonium hydroxide.
Yeah,
You
I
understand? Now,
understand.
the next one is calcium phosphate. Calcium is 2
Calcium phosphate.
and phosphate is PO4 is 3.
3.
You cross multiply this one,
So,
you will get Ca3, and then this is a polyatomic ion. It is having more than one atom, phosphorus and oxygen. So you have to write this one in bracket. PO4 whole twice.
PO4 twice.
Okay, this is calcium phosphate. Now calcium carbonate, Ca is 2
Calcium
and carbonate is also 2.
2. So it'll be calcium is
Ca,
it'll be CaCO3.
yeah. Similarly, calcium sulfate, Ca, calcium is 2 and sulfate is also 2. It will get cancelled out. You will get calcium CaSO4.
CaSO4.
Lead nitrate,
Pb2. And
Pb,
nitrate.
nitrate is
Nitrate
NO3.
is
It has 1
N3. NO3.
minus 1. So 1 is 1. Okay. So 1 is not going to multiply. You are not going to multiply here 1. You don't write like this PB1. You don't write like PB1. No, don't write 1 here. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Let's write PbNO3 whole twice.
NO3 whole twice.
Zinc chloride is Zn is 2 and chloride is 1. You cross multiply, you will get ZnCl2. Okay. Lead oxide.
Okay.
Lead oxide is PbO. 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 It is 2. It is also 2. Oxide is 2. Cut it, you will get PbO. And sodium hydroxide is Na is 1. OH is also 1. So it is NaOH. Okay. You understood?
Yeah.
So that's all for today. And we will be giving you the homework to write the chemical formula of the compound. Writing the chemical formula of the compound. Okay, just practice that one. And we're going to give you the homework that do that homework honestly and try to write the chemical equations. Like for example, if a word equation is given to you like this way, barium chloride when react with sodium sulfate, it will gives you barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. sodium chloride. Okay. So you have to write this word equation in terms of symbols and formula. Okay, like barium chloride is BaCl2 plus sodium sulfate is Na2SO4 will gives you barium sulfate is BaSO4 and sodium chloride is NaCl. Okay. So when you learn, write down this formula like with the help of this chart, you will be given some chemical equations written in the words. You have to write them in the chemical formula. Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Okay, that's it. We'll meet you in the next class. Thanks for coming.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I'll see you.
Yes, Swani, how are you? Are you
I'm
there?
good, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. So, yes, Swani, may I know that in the previous class, what we were studying the how we were just studying the basic concept, okay, of the chemistry,
Mhm.
that how the compound is formed, why the water has the formula of H2O, why the oxygen has the formula for O2, okay. So may I know one thing here that do you honestly know that what is how the atoms how in an atoms the electrons are arranged, okay, electronic configuration of the ninth standard, because if it is weak then there's you might create some, it will be problematic for you, okay. So I'm just want to know whether you know that electrons in an atom, there are electron, proton and neutron, okay, and they are arranged in a pattern, like the first shell, first orbit can
Yeah,
have
the
maximum
shell,
to
KLM. I know that.
KLM, you know that one.
Yeah.
Okay.